FourQ recently sent an underwater fishing camera to us for our fishing expedition, so today we're going to do a quick unboxing to check what the camera looks like and what else is included. First of all, I love how the entire camera kit is enclosed in this compact carrying case. Inside, we have a spool of cable 100 feet long that tethers to the camera. And here's the camera itself, which we'll take a closer look at shortly. It also comes with a USB-C charging cable, and this is the mounting bracket for the display monitor. And speaking of the monitor, it's a 4.3-inch LCD monitor. The bracket snaps right onto the back of the monitor. The bracket is also adjustable depending on where you mount it. There's a knob here that you can twist to tighten or loosen the grip if you decide to anchor it to your fishing rod. Alternatively, you can actually take the bracket and mount it to the side of your boat as well. And by mounting the monitor, you can keep your hands free while fishing. And we'll just remove the bracket here from the monitor to show you how wide the clamp goes. And here's the instruction manual, which shows you all the different accessories you get. It also explains all the different buttons on the display monitor and what they do. So here we've got the camera. It has a unique shark fin shaped design with a rubber ball at the top, which acts as a sliding float or buoy to help the camera stay suspended at a specific depth. And notice there are two metal prongs that stick out. Well, those are stabilizing fins to help balance the camera so you can control the viewing angle.